Hello traders, I'm Igor Borisenko and this is WaveTrading. So let's start with the index, where we've got a possible beginning of this wave 1 here. So I'm still keeping my long trade and I'm going to buy even more if we see here a bullish impulse. Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar is still bullish, so I'm keeping my long trade here and I'm going to buy more when this local correction, I mean wave 2, ends. British pound is still declining, so I've got 4 short trades here so far. I've got my stops here today at the local correction and then I opened 2 new short trades. So if this impulse continues, I'm going to sell more. I'm keeping my short trade on euro dollar, but I'm not selling more cause there's an alternative wave count, which means we could have here just a zigzag like ABC. If so, wave 2 is likely going to be continued, so I'm just holding my short trade and just watching. I'm still out of the market on Japanese yen cause this diagonal triangle in wave 5 is likely going to be continued, so if we see a pullback from this lower side of this possible pattern, I'm going to buy. Euro pound is still bullish and it seems like we've got a small wave 2 here, so there's an opportunity to have another bullish impulse, I mean this wave 3. So I've got new long trade here and I'm going to buy more if we see here plain in clear bullish impulse. And I'm lucky today, I've got stops on pound versus franc. Overall I have a small profit, but then I've sold again, so I have just one trade and I'm going to sell even more if we see here a bearish impulse in this wave 3. Australian dollar is my favorite market so far cause we've got here this amazing pullback from this moving average line on the daily chart, and it seems like we've got a zigzag here in wave E like A, B and C, so I've got here 2 short trades and I'm going to sell more if we see here a new bearish rally. Currently I'm out of the market on gold cause this diagonal triangle is likely going to be continued, but its inner structure is quite difficult, so I'm just watching here. And finally I've got my break-even stop on oil, so I'm currently out of the market here, but I'm going to buy if this correction ends, maybe in a form of a zigzag. If so, and if we see here a small bullish impulse, I'm going to buy to trade this wave C. I still have 3 long trades on DAO and an opportunity to have a bullish impulse in wave 3 is still on the table. So if this wave continues, I'm going to buy even more. And just have a look at Tiffany's shares cause I've got here a break-even stop loss cause we've got this bearish gap. So currently I'm out of the market cause this wave 2 is likely going to be continued. Apple is just amazing and it seems like we're going to have a new high here, so I'm keeping my long trade. And I've got 2 stops here on Facebook, but I'm still keeping 2 long trades cause this wave 4 could be like a flat and then we could have another bullish impulse, I mean this wave 5. And I'm still keeping my long trade on Tesla cause this wave 3 is likely going to be continued, which means we could have a bullish impulse in wave 5. And we've got a bullish rocket on Goldman cause it seems like we've got here an impulse which could be the first wave inside wave 5, so right after this possible correction, I mean wave 2, when it ends, I'm going to buy more. So that's all for today's video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care and bye bye.